Yo guys, what is up? It is Galaxy here, and today we are watching SML short. Jeffy has hiccups. So yeah, let's get started. Guys, hold on. My computer usually does that. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. And what the heck is that? Hold on. There you go.
Hey, Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and take my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Ew.
Jeff, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah. Just hold your breath and it'll make them go away.
Here,
Until you can't breathe anymore.
Oh,
Keep holding your
it's
breath.
about to die.
Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you breathe.
No, Jeffy! No, you can't die today. Oh, wait, did he just really die? Oh no.
CPR.
Ew. I thought you hated your son with doing that.
Your hiccups are gone, Jeffy. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor. He's gonna help get rid of those because I can't stand their noise.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You called the doctor for hiccup? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid
I'm
with
sorry, I
hiccups.
can't show my face. I don't have a webcam yet.
He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
Why is he wearing a black suit?
No,
Oh god.
they are not.
Why do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah. Yeah, it's a
Pepperonis.
really
I
bad
thought he
case of
only
hiccups.
ate green beans.
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, that didn't work. All right,
Usually
well, if that didn't work,
scares
I guess
do
the only
it.
thing we gotta do now is boom. No, not
It's
quite.
gonna take forever
I'm
to
gonna have to go
upload,
out to my
but
car and get a
I
few
have to
things.
do it for y'all.
Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right. Well, stage 2 is basically boom.
Stop scaring him. Just give him a glass of water. Glass of water, I mean.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Was that Cody's
Okay,
voice?
stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
A balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like it, you.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
That's rude.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, stage 3 is the angry drunk kid coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
What?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon. Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon?
What?
That's not healthy. Where's my kid so I can yell at him? Don't make me get the mask. Whoa!
How is that even moving? I'm not even touching my mouse.
Did that work? All right, on to stage 4. All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
Sorry,
On the
guys.
head stage.
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
Oh, what?
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit
Jeffy,
the
I'll
apple, it'll be
remember you
awesome.
if you die.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my gun. Boom! Man,
Boy.
I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All
At least
right,
it's not
let's
a
shoot
gun.
this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Jeffy.
All right.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Oh yeah, he's alive.
Yeah. He still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that bad shot.
Dang,
Bullseye.
thing
What do
shot,
you do about his
man.
hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
Oh, dang.
Yeah, okay. On to stage 5.
Oh, no.
Alright, so to stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah, a bomb. And Jeffy has to deactivate it by cutting one of those wires. And if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which wire does he cut?
The black one.
They're all black.
Yeah, I know. That's why it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire. But Daddy, I don't know which one to pick.
Just through the wire, Jeffy.
Oh, yeah, okay, eeny, meeny, miny, just pick that one. What?
Did it work? Did I scare you?
Oh, man. Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power.
Oh,
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one.
oh no. Is he gonna...
With stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
Without a pet? Oh
Yeah,
no.
hopefully the fear of hitting
Jeffy,
the ground and
I
dying
remember
is
you,
gonna get rid
alright?
of
The
hiccups.
fans will remember
What if he
you.
actually dies?
How dare you? You're kinda nice to your son. Where's Rose?
Yeah, twist
Ooh.
up like the board game.
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Oh man, I missed though.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7, the worst, most scary thing that I can think
Wait,
of.
is it zoomed in? Oh, sorry guys, it was zoomed in.
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. All right, how much I owe you? Okay. let me just get my wallet.
70, 72.
Wait, where's my wallet?
What?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no.
He's gonna kick you out,
How am I
wasn't
gonna pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink. What are we gonna do? Do you have
You're gonna
your
get
wallet?
kicked
No, I
out.
don't have my wallet.
Oh no. What a scary situation. How are we gonna pay you? What do we do? How embarrassing. Okay.
You
Well,
leave.
stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What,
Incurable hiccups.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Boom! Alright. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
The rest of his life?
For the rest of my life?
Oh, fly, come on.
Get out of here.
Save him. Yeah.
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It's like you ate my face.
Try to eat your face.
Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups? Oh, think so. What? I think that fly. It cured his hiccups.
Oh no, now Mario has it.
No, please don't tell me.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
How would you scare someone if you had to? I'd scare someone with a chainsaw and a creepy mask. That's for fun. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. SML short, Jeffy has hiccups. So yeah. Peace out. I don't know why I did that. But peace.